Hey friends, and I'm Safir, and today we will learn how to add and subtract decimals. So let's start. So first, what we need to know is when we are adding or subtracting decimals, we will have to align the decimals first. And then we can just simply add or subtract. So let me show you with example here. So our example is 13.25 plus 14.72. So let's start. Okay, sorry. So what we first needed to do, so 13.25 plus 14.72. The 13.25 and 14.72. So first we align the decimals, so it's easier for us to add or subtract. So 14, and then the decimal aligns, point, and then whatever decimal comes after that, 0.72. So now it's addition. So now we just simply add or subtract. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 3, 7. Oh, don't forget, just like I did, to always add the decimal. So whatever place the decimal is, we will always add it once when we are adding or subtracting, to always keep the decimal at the right place. So for example, here are two decimal places. So when we're adding, we need to keep the decimal after two decimal places. So 1, 2, it stays right there. One decimal place, two decimal places. And we continue. 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer is 27.97. Let's try it with another one. So here, let's say 128.63 minus 14.50. So what we would do here is we would align the decimals. So 14.50. So 14, align the decimals, 0.50. And then now we just simply subtract. So 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. Don't forget to add the decimals in our answer. So point, because two decimal places, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's alright. 8, negative 4, 4, 2, negative 1, 1, and 1, negative 0, 1. So our answer is 114.13. Let's try it with a few more. So 5.882 plus 3.01 plus 12.7. See here, friends, that even though there are so much numbers here at the end for our first 5.882, I didn't just simply 5.882, I didn't just go 3.01, because if I did that, see, the decimals aren't aligned, so we can't subtract, so we can't add in this instance, because we will get the wrong number. So first, to make it easier for us, we just align all our decimals and then we just add. So we have it all aligned. So now we can say we can just simply add. So 2 plus nothing and nothing, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 8 plus 0 plus 7, 8 plus 7 equals to 15. 1 goes on the top. 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 11. And then 1 goes on the top here. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And don't forget to add our decimal places at the end. See, our highest number is 3 decimal places, so our decimal places go after 3 decimals. So 1, 2, 3 goes right after 5. So our answer is 21.592. Let's try another one. Go away. So 14.8 negative 2.5. So what we will do, we will simply align them together, which we have point and point. 5, 8 minus 5, 3. We align the decimal places, which comes here. We add it. 4, negative 2, 2, 1, negative 0, 1. So our answer is 12.3. So let's recap what we have learned. So friends, when we are adding or subtracting decimals, we need to keep in mind as that we have to align the decimals first to make our addition or subtraction easier. And then we just simply add or subtract. So let's look at our previous example. We see that we have aligned our decimal places first. So points together, and then we simply subtracted. And then what we do at the end, let's put a star on this. We remember to place the decimal point at the right position in our answer. So here we have, see, 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place. So we would put the decimal place after 1. So it would move and go right there. So our answer is 12.3. And now we know what to do. And so that's it. And bye friends. And I'll see you next time.